How to easily set up and use multi-view for sports on YouTube TV. You want to watch multiple games at once with YouTube TV's multi-view so you can enjoy your favorite competition. Here is the easiest way to do it. Start by opening the YouTube TV app on your smart TV or streaming device. This feature is only available on TVs from now, not on phones or desktops. Next, scroll down to the top picks for you or live section. Look for tiles labeled Multi-View. YouTube TV creates these automatically for sports events. Select the multi-view layout that features the games you want. The screen will split, showing up to 4 games at once, all live. You can switch audio between games by using your remote, so just highlight the game and press OK or Enter. Unfortunately, you can't customize which games go into the multi-view layout yet. YouTube TV picks them based on what's airing live. But that's it, no setup needed. Just launch, pick a layout, and enjoy multiple games at the same time. Thanks for watching.